In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Disney Plus with friends online. Now, there's multiple ways that you could do this, and number one is by screen sharing via Discord. Discord is an online application that will allow you to chat and speak with all your friends, but it actually does have this screen share feature. Now, before you attempt to do it on Discord, keep in mind that when you first try to do it, you may get a black screen. In order to remove that black screen, so you want to type this in right over here in your web browser over here on Google Chrome, then just go ahead and press on enter. Then where it says search settings, you want to look up accelerated right over here. Okay, and you want to make sure that this option that says use graphics acceleration when available, make sure that this option is turned off. By default, it is going to be turned on, so make sure to go ahead and turn it off, and then afterwards, see if you are able to go ahead and stream Disney Plus via Discord. And typically that'll get the job done. And what's great about this is that only one person needs the Disney Plus subscription. And basically that person just needs to share their screen, and then everybody in Discord can talk to each other, etc. And in general, just have a ton of fun. Alternatively, you guys could use a platform called Teleparty. Teleparty is a free web browser that will allow you to actually host watch parties over here. So this is certainly another option that you guys have as well. As you're able to tell, it does work with Disney. I personally recommend using Discord because that is the more reliable option. But if you guys don't want to use Discord and you want to use something different, Teleparty is definitely the way to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.